Hey guys, welcome back to this brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen in OBS 2020. I've had a couple of questions sometimes about having a black screen in OBS, and so I thought it was about time that I did a tutorial on how to fix it actually. So I'm going to jump right in. I'm going to give you some easy solutions and some hard solutions to this problem. So yeah, first of all, here as you can see you have scenes. You can add a new scene by right clicking and doing add. Now if I do that, I'm probably going to have a black screen. There you go, as you can see it does have a black screen right now. That's because I didn't add a source. This is an easy solution for example, but be sure that you right click here and add a scene. Now the scene for me is a display capture because I'm displaying my my window, my desktop. But if you're doing a game capture, you click on game capture, and also be sure that you click on the game you're gonna play. So if you do game capture, be sure that you also select the game that you're playing and it has to be running. But yeah, for the rest, choose whatever you want to record and click OK. And then you will be able to see a screen here, so that's an easy solution. And also another solution could be that this little eye icon here is not selected. It's not you didn't click on it. So if you click on it, if I click on it right now, it's gonna jump to a black screen as you can see. And if I unclick it, you're gonna see it's gonna reappear. So be sure that this eye looks like this. So yeah, that you can actually see the capture screen here. What you also can do sometimes is that the image is not stretched well enough. And that's why if you see these right corners here, these right squares with lines, you can actually just take that and you can stretch it like that. So be sure that that it is actually stretched well. And if the display doesn't show, you can also do right click. You go to transform. And you can see fit to screen here. That's in case you really want to make sure that it fits. You can do that by right clicking, transform, and fit to screen. That's also a solution if the solution is that the image is not stretched well. But now I'm going to go a little bit more in detail, a little bit more hard problems. So what you can also do is you can go down here to search and you want to type in graphic settings. You click on it. Okay, so now this window will appear. I'm just going to put OBS, I'm going to minimize it for a second. So I'm just going to put it there for a second. As you can see, you have choose an app preference. You need to be sure that's on classic app. As you can see, I already have it here, but you need to be sure that this is a classic app. Then you're gonna go to browse. I actually need to go ahead and search for OBS. So it's probably under your Windows C. Then you go to Program Files or Program Files 86, that depends. Then you want to scroll down and look for OBS Studio, which is right here. You go to bin, then you go to 64 and you click on OBS here. Once you've clicked this, it will appear right here as you can see. And you want to click this and click on options. Then you have three options here. Yours is probably a system default at first, but you need to be sure it's on power saving. You could also try the other two, but power saving is definitely the one that's gonna save you probably. So yeah, that's also an option you can do. A third option would be to run it as administrator, and also if you have a control panel of NVIDIA, be sure you add OBS. I don't know a lot about the NVIDIA control panel because I don't have NVIDIA. But that could also be an option that you go to their control panel and actually add OBS. But that's all the solutions I can give you. Hopefully one of them helped you. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And I hope you like this video. Please leave a like, would be really nice. Subscribe would also be really nice. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.